What do you get with this travel box portable heater? And how to do the first launch? When unboxing the product, you will find manual with fuses and 2.5mm Allen key. 12-volt power supply cable that you can connect to your car battery. Exhaust pipe, clamp and insulation. 220-volt power supply cable. Additionally, you can get up to 3 meters of 60mm durable air pipe. And travel box itself, nicely packaged. The battery and fuel tank is already mounted inside. You can see the battery level in Victron app while it's charging. It also has built-in control button, which allows you to browse through different work modes, and has a control module that disconnects heater from the battery when it's not used. So during storage it consumes only 5 mA. In document package together with manual you have Allen key, because you will need to remove the side plate, like this. Remember the fuses I mentioned? They come in the same package as Allen key, and they have to be inserted right here. First one goes in like this, and this. Put the cover back when the fuses are in. Now when the fuses are in, you need to fully charge it. After it's charged, fill up the fuel tank. Then you will need to press the control button and hold it for 2 seconds. First you will hear the air pump spinning. After that there will be 1 or 2 ticks from the fuel pump. This is the heater self-check. After that it usually takes around 5 minutes for heater to fully start. There is possibility that heater won't start at the first attempt, if the fuel hasn't reached the combustion chamber yet. In this case, press the button again for 2 seconds. For any questions, leave them in the comments below.